What are emulsifying agents? These are the agents which are added to the emulsions for the stabilization purposes. Now, as you can see in this picture, it is a hydrophilic end which has high affinity for the aqueous bulk, and it can be positively charged, negatively charged, or neutral. And there's a hydrophobic tail which can be linear or branched, and it has low affinity for the aqueous bulk. The emulsifiers form a layer between the disperse phase and the dispersion medium, thereby prevents the disperse phase particles to come together to form larger particles and separate out. There are many emulsifiers which can be used for the stabilization of emulsions. For example, egg yolk, mustard, sodium phosphates, mono and diglycerides, and there are many other examples. Now, how do the emulsifiers work? Emulsifiers help preventing the breakdown of emulsions by forming a physical barrier between the disperse phase and the dispersion medium. Now, as you can see in this picture, that in case of oil and water emulsion, the emulsifier surrounds the oil droplets with their non-polar tails extending into the droplets, while their hydrophilic heads facing the water, which will produce a strong adhesive force between the oil and water. Now, emulsifiers can be cationic, anionic, or they can be non-polar. And if the emulsifier is more soluble in water, then water becomes the dispersion medium and oil becomes the disperse phase, and hence we get oil and water emulsion. And on the other hand, if the emulsifier is more soluble in oil, then it becomes the dispersion medium and the water becomes the disperse phase.